will take some time, but then you'll feel fine. And it ain't no lie, your scores will be high. So you never know, never, never know, never know enough. Yeah, I know it's tough, but just get some sleep and enough to eat. You'll be good to go when you take your seat. It's your chance to show everything you know. But did you just that? Then you'll have to go. So don't get there late on the testing day, or be bored to death inside the office. So get your star test down, your star test down, keeping your star test down, your star test down. You get your star test down, your star test down. Just get your star test down, or lose. Try to be real cool when you come to school. You just can't be stressed when you take the test. So just stay relaxed and don't go too fast. You'll improve the scores you got in the past. So just keep in mind when you're on your own, don't just take a guess, that's a danger zone. Read them carefully, find the best you see, and choose, and choose. When you're bubbling, please make sure you're neat, so that they can read your whole answer sheet. When you mess it up and have to erase, if you smudge the lead, won't get in your face. So get your star test down, your star test down, keeping your star test down, your star test down, keeping your star test down, your star test down. Just get your star test down, or lose. The test counts for you and ripping out too, but you never knew the good you could do. You've been down this road many times before, now you know it counts. So just raise your score.